I'm gonna pee my pants. What's up, y'all? It's Emma, and welcome back to the channel. Guess what day it is, guys? Rogue X Ed Hardy drop. We'll do a little shop tour. On this side, guys, we have all of the sample sale items. Everything here is discounted heavily from retail. In the middle, we have the best products. Our Rogue X Ed Hardy collab. We'll put out like one of each size, and if you want one, we go to the back and get you a new one. Over here, our Ed Hardy sign. I ordered this off of Etsy. It came broken. As you can see, it had issues in the mail, but Haley gently fixed it. Now it's beautiful, and you can take pics in front of it. Hi guys, welcome. And this side, we have our vintage curated Ed Hardy. All our cute mannequins that Mike dressed nicely with our ass pizza mask. Real ones know when this was made. Over in the back, wow, the store looks really nice right now.
It looks like the most
clean, or like, what were you gonna say?
The most store.
This looks like the most store it's ever been. Oh wait, we didn't even show you the skateboards. Come. On the back wall, we have 4 skateboards that we are raffling off. I'm so glad we got these made. We have all of our designs featured, and we have a design that didn't make it to life, which is there, the Scullerfly. That was one of my favorite designs, but it was too difficult for the factories to produce, so it didn't come to life. And then we have our really cute signs that show the pricing. My favorite price is $6.7 for the tank tops. There's only one time and place to price something $6.7, which is right now. To do it, yeah. Beautiful Rogue X Ed Hardy flag. Who am I with?
I'm Holly Berry Tattoos.
Can you show the vlog the flash sheet you made for today?
All Ed Hardy designs.
You printed this or hand drew it all?
No, I painted this.
Insane talent. I'm like,
thank you so much.
Which one's your favorite?
I'm definitely a butterfly girl. I gotta say that. And then we got the fire butterfly and the water butterfly, which are very classic Hardy designs. Yeah, the swallow is super really cute. Can't go wrong. Super classic. And the skull with the heart.
We'll see if I come back later today, get something.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Good.
Here we have our little stickers. Everything is going swimmingly right now. People are vibing. Can we have a quick huddle before we let people in? Today's gonna be an amazing day. Let's lock in and just treat people with kindness and love and respect. If anybody wants to try on a size that's not here, let's just bring them a size. The fitting rooms should be good for trying on. And then also we should try to sell some of our originals. Rogue on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rogue! Let's go! Okay, let's do it, guys. Whoa! I'm scared. It's 11:59.
Hit it.
4 selected, set as active. We're dropping in 1 minute. All of our products here, we have to set them as active, and I'm gonna do so when it changes to 12.
And you have to post.
Okay, this first and then the post. Set as active. God bless. Cute. Okay, and now we got a post right here. We're live, guys. Our first order is Mario. Apple Valley, California. Oh! We love you, Mario. Thank you so much. Should we pack his order right now, low key? Okay, you get the special treatment.
Yay!
If you're ever in New York, please come. Sorry, guys, if it feels like I'm in a daze. It's a little scary doing this, you know? Okay, so look, guys, let me show y'all. We have everything set up here. Mario got a medium in the mermaid tank, and then he also got the skull horse in an M. Medium. Let me just confirm. You always gotta triple check, guys, because if you ship out the wrong size, that's not good. Medium, postcard, sticker. Mario, thank you for being order number 1. This is what you gotta do, because Sharpie going in a slick bag. Air dry, guys, because otherwise it will smudge. Now we put it inside. I'm gonna print the shipping label later. We'll just write his name, and so when we go back to do the shipping labels later, we just, you know, this is what I used to do in Depop. What's his order number? 2581. We should make a little zone for all our e-com orders. So this will be our e-com. Perfect. First order.
Nice.
Let's see if we got any more. Okay.
Wow, look, those are big orders.
How you feeling?
I'm good. I'm a little fragile. We had a party last night, but I'm feeling great. Great. How are you?
So good.
You have to make an appearance.
How are you feeling, Jenny? It's a big day.
I'm gonna have my sandwich and then wake up. Hi, guys. What time?
It's
I would make it 1:30 check-in.
going great, actually. Such great vibes in the store, and it's just meant like this too. Like people are just trickling in and out.
This is tattoo what, number 3 of the day maybe?
Yes, number 3
of the day? Okay, and walk us through, what'd we get?
So we got the 2 skulls with the little teardrop. I thought this was the most fire one on the flash sheet. The whole flash sheet is fire, but I really love this one. And I had her pick the spot. Good spot?
So good.
Hell yeah.
What was the pain level, 1 to 10?
9, but I try not to show it. No, I'm kidding. It was like a 7.
There you go.
You gotta stay locked in the whole time.
The CBGB shirt is super cool.
chat. So right now, Mateo just texted Emma like 15 minutes ago that Black Boy Max is streaming in apparently Central Cee and J Guapo. So we came to look for them, but we don't see them. But there is a stream happening and there's a crowd. But I hope they appear because I crush on both of them. Oh my god! Central Cee and J Guapo.
Let's go.
Oh shit, jeez. Oh my god, you look like Clark Boy. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Wow.
How'd it go?
Did you get me giving it to Jay?
You could not see anything over.
I gave it to Jay and I gave it to Pink.